How to create a registration form in Google Form. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser or like Google Chrome and simply come over to this extension section and just click on this forms, as you can see. And now you can simply use any one of these templates, or you can also actually click on this blank form to simply click or create it from the start. So now you can just give any titles like registration form. So let me just quickly type it once again like this, registration form. And once you type in the heading of your form, you can also add questions like the heading of your questions. So like, what is your name, just like this. And you can actually change your multiple choice to other answers such as short answer, since it's going to be answer. You can also change the questions to be required, which means the user must answer the particular question, like it's a compulsory. So you can also click on this plus icon just like I did over here to add other questions just like this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.